wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sawhorses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a hybrid product that doubles as a workbench. The keter folding compact is truly innovative in both its design and function. This 4-footed station's nifty second shelf will help you keep your working space tidy, though we recommend it for light use only. It's ideal for a handy homeowner and folds down to a compact size. However, it is too fragile for professional use. At number 9, the Stanley Fat Max was once known as one of the best products of its kind, with its adjustable legs making it well suited for almost any purpose. Recent changes in the material it's constructed from, though, have left some long-time users feeling unhappy. It's great for tall people and includes a built-in toolbox with a tray, but it is subject to falling over often. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Trojan TS35 features an innovative and convenient locking mechanism that uses teeth to grip your workpiece as opposed to screws. Its 1/8 of an inch thick legs have the ability to self-level on almost any terrain. Unfortunately, the included bolts aren't very durable. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee and comes with a sleek blue powder-coated finish. However, the quality of the welds is rather poor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the all-steel Portamate PM3300T are built to withstand the rigors of a busy worksite, so you don't have to worry about banging them up on the job. They're sold in pairs, come fully assembled right out of the box, and are protected by a rust-resistant powder coating. They offer a 33-inch work height and a 1,000-pound load capacity, but they are a little pricey. Moving up our list to number 6. The toughbuilt C550 is an excellent option for those who need something seriously heavy-duty that can be counted on every day for tough jobs. Each comes in at just 13.4 pounds, yet can support weights of up to 1,100 pounds. It's equipped with a carrying handle and built entirely of steel. However, it's only sold as an individual piece. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Louisville ladder combines the convenience of a stepladder with that of a support that stands approximately 3 feet tall with a 300-pound weight capacity. Its wide double-braced steps provide plenty of space to move and comfort as you work. It's equipped with pinch-resistant spreader braces and is perfect for drywalling and painting, but it is too short for some applications. At number 4, the multifunctional worx Pegasus converts from a full-size workbench to a sawhorse in seconds, ensuring you always have the right surface for whatever project you're working on. 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp pegs help secure a variety of material shapes. It supports up to 1,000 pounds and includes a built-in storage shelf. It folds up completely for carrying. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, versatility and customization define these 2x4 Basics probrackets. They can accept any length of 2x4 wood, are easily assembled with a screwdriver, and feature a dual self-construction that makes them ideal for cutting 4x8 plywood sheets and priming wood trim. You can alter the height of the setup with ease, and they come in a pack of 2. They take up minimal space in a truck. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the versatile dewalt DWX725 is constructed from corrosion-resistant aluminum, making it the perfect choice for handling outdoor jobs. This model features folding legs that lock into place for superior stability when having to work with heavy-duty power tools. It collapses down quickly and includes a built-in handle for easy portability. It's lightweight at just over 15 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, designed as the ultimate multi-purpose workstation, the Rockwell RK9003 jawhorse can be used as a portable sawhorse, a workbench, a vise, a miter stand, or even a welding platform. Its 1-ton clamping force is controlled by a handy foot pedal for hands-free operation. The jaws extend to 37 inches, and a built-in roller makes moving it easy. It's a durable, all-steel construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video.